What's up, YouTube family? Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Today we are going to be installing a unit from Nadula. I received their lace front tape and also the HD wig cap, and this is the unit. I ordered their 7x5 chestnut brown ombre and a 22-inch, and it comes pre-plucked, and basically I was just ready to install this. And I did glue it down, but you could also wear it glueless. And then, not in this video, but I did also order like a lace tent, which really did help kind of like make it more invisible, the lace in the front. But right now what I am doing is cleaning my forehead, where I'll be spraying some lace adhesion spray. And I'll make sure to include the link to this lace bond in the description box below. I did get it from Amazon. And just a side note, I did use way too much. After applying this, I did learn that you don't have to apply this much, but this was my first time using this spray, so of course I was just trying to figure it out. But you could use a little bit, you could use none at all. But basically what I'm doing is I'm just placing the unit on my head and just positioning it where I want it to go and where it looks most natural. I am avoiding my hairline, so you want to make sure you place it right in front of your hairline or where it looks most natural. I did also have an adjustable band in the back to secure the unit even more, and I did also just cut some of the lace in the front to make it look even more natural. The one thing that I will mention about this unit is it didn't have ear tabs, which kind of was interesting. It made my actual hairline show, but that's what I'm trying to do here, is just glue down the sides as much as I can. But once the hair is down, like you don't even see the sides, but I just really wanted to make sure it was secure. And then I also cut baby hairs to this unit as well, just to make sure it looks even more natural. And that's what I wanted as well. So I did a total of, I think, 4 to 6 little baby hair sections, but not too much. Just something that makes it look natural, like customized. And I'm using Got2b glue gel to lay down the baby hairs. Yeah, so you'll see me doing that. And then once this is complete, we'll go into actually styling the curls. Just a few things to note about this unit. This is Nadula's 7x5 chestnut brown ombre Burmese curly. It's a glueless wig. It has an elastic drawstring, and it's their put on and go wig. And this unit that I have has the finger coils at the ends, so you can get this unit all the way up to 24 inches, but I decided 22. So now let's get into the styling. I'm using water and Camille Rose's mint condition style and set foam. So for this style, I'm just going to be taking small sections and saturating the hair in water, and then I'm going to be also applying mousse to that section and brushing it through with my detangling brush. And the one thing that I will note, after getting a chance to wear this unit and style it multiple times, this method is perfectly fine if this is the exact look you want. But I did find that if you like wrap the hair around your finger, like a finger coil almost, it does come out more defined, and I did like that version more than this one, just because this one, it basically like elongated the curls, whereas the finger coil made it more defined, more juicy, which I did appreciate more. But it's really just a preference. I think both look very cute. I was able to rock it with this method that I used, but I do prefer the other method more. So it's up to you, but this is what I did for this specific tutorial, and I think it still came out really cute. So yeah, I'm basically just repeating the steps throughout my entire head, saturating the hair with water, putting in mousse, and combing it through with my denim brush. And then I do go in and diffuse the curls, which is also optional, but your preference. I was going out after this, so I wanted to have dry hair. And then I also did use some oil just to kind of like break the cast and have like nice soft curls. So yeah, I love this unit. I got so many compliments on it. If you also are interested in this unit and just finding out more information on it, I'll be sure to include it in the description box below. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. You know, once this is pretty much dry and I get dressed, that pretty much completes the look. And this unit, you can definitely keep it for a long time. It's super cute. It's very manageable. It does shed, but not an excess amount. So I do appreciate that. And I mean, the curls are fire. The color is fire. There's, of course, pros and cons with all units. But for this being my first time trying Nadula, I loved it. I definitely will be purchasing from them again. I love the color. It suits me so well. And y'all can tell me nothing with this new hair. I mean, look at the curls. They are giving. The color is giving. The baby hairs are giving. Everything is giving. So definitely make sure to check them out. I mean, look at this length, the color, the definition, all the above. Super cute. That concludes this video. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time.